Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to use Circle to search on iPhone using Chrome and Google app. Let's have a look. First, open Chrome app on your iPhone. Now scroll and start browsing. If you would like to use Circle to search on this page, tap three dots on bottom right. Then scroll up little bit and tap search screen with Google Lens. Now you can simply circle or tap on the object to perform a visual search. You can also use the Google app for circle to search on iPhone. Open Google app and scroll down or scroll to the page. Whenever you would like to use circle to search, simply tap three dots on top right and tap search this screen. Now make a circle or tap on the image to do a reverse visual search. That's it. These are the steps to use circle to search on iPhone using Chrome and Google app. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.